Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zuko Ikyan on the run, Ndima. That's my name up until the 8th of June.
And yes, we are siblings. Your title just gets longer and longer.
It changes every time, you know. I'm like a lucky packet. You never quite know what you're gonna get. You know what I mean? It might be a ring. It might be Ngawa Popeye the Sailor. It might be something completely useless or helpful.
Do they still have lucky packets? Those were so much fun.
They should have. It's sherbet.
Actually, Ndoli Sherbet.
Talk also.
What is sherbet made out of? We spent our youth. Son. Growing up in the 90s was wild times. Wild times. I'm sure Ndoli Sherbet, they'd be like, excuse me?
Sherbet is a powder form of candy floss. That's what it is. It's just this useless thing, bro.
What a strange thing. Umdu who first came up with it was like, do you know what we're going to do? We're going to make a sweet powder that changes the color of your mouth and sell it to children.
Yes, we're sleeping on money, guys, Tina, as people, hey?
100%, because we were thinking of the ideas as the beyond.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like complicated stuff.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. Talking about sleeping on money, guys. We need suggestions on how to make money. Because this thing is not working anymore.
What thing?
So can we please empower each other in terms of how to get something like a Zach? Because, Aibo, we are going hungry.
Siyaphela.
Aibo, things are going up every day and we are not discussing how we can make money. If anyone has got a brilliant business idea, we as Sibling Rivalry have got the platform.
Okay.
And as a result of that, we can make our common dreams come true. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks for that.
Yeah.
How's your week been besides?
It's been fine. Week's been fine. Just been sick. So just working through that. And yeah, that's it. Chisile nearly burnt the house down today.
Why?
Because I was cooking.
I mean,
And then I was the pegumbona. Then I put Nambona on and then I was like, hey, let me go to my room to go do whatever, work, whatever. Because I was on the laptop in the room. Close the door, put on the heater. Libala. And it's only when I had to leave the house where I walk out and yo, it's khokolo senza ntoni. And see it, yo. It's like it stinks and this mealis is burnt. Popcorn. And I'm just worried because lambi is so but I'm hoping it'll come out. I mean it's
cast
iron.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's not like you're cooking with a hot pot or anything like that. This whole story was literally the fact that he's got a cast iron pot. Oh, Chisile, and he's alright. Oh, Ngosiam, so bayini bao. So mandla.
Yeah, well, so it wasn't about that, but I got a fright. I was just like,
no, of course.
Hey man, something serious could have actually happened here.
Oh, 100%.
But thank the Lord that it didn't, and at least I'm here. I think I still smell a bit of smoke, but it stays in your nostrils. That's what I've come to learn. Just like in ikuninda chisizindo kodwa nami. Dakenda yakubalo ayichisimbiza endlini sikhula. Engo chisimbiza AMC. Yeah, like the pot melted and that silver stuff was running across the stove. That was wild. Was that you? Me?
It wasn't me.
You were in him. Yeah, in him. Chisama Zamban. After school, we should unpack, get home. Suka nini, bidi sama Zamban and potato salad. Yeah, that's the
why you mad? That's the easiest thing to do.
That's the kaushin. Now, in my dream, someone is knocking at the door. But when I later found out that someone was really knocking at the door, but my dream just like completely made it into a seamless thing. Someone was knocking at the door in Kwaza, and I was just like, nah, be clearly in my dream. And I was like, but I was busy with something years and years. Then eventually I wake up, there's someone knocking at the door. Mnyama khutse apha endlini. Yeah, ma kudala ndaba. There's a new flat here, Pretoria. I'm still staying with Zach.
But wait, there's more.
So it's just Andoni. I don't remember, but it's just Andoni. It's so wild. And apa, ngumsindanga or thick ohlange passage. Sihlange passage in my. Oh, your neighbors ziyachisa. Kanti pakude flat.
Oh my gosh, that's so scary.
Anyways, I'm actually so surprised that it's never had like dire consequences apart from Nugas Khokolo and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, it takes a lot though to get to that.
Yeah. So Nangoku, I'm absolutely hung up on winter is here. So heater. The heater is E2. I've got a fan heater, and then I've got a gas heater because the gas heater gets tired. Does it like the gas heater?
What do you mean?
In my room, I'll put on the gas heater and it'll go on for a while, and then it's me.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, your heater's broken.
No, but if I put it in the lounge or an open space, often better forever.
Kaloku mhlambi it's emitting gas and iyazicima uba hey ndizoyibulala
I think so too.
Yes, because it's in a closed space.
Yes.
It needs air.
But things about susunini. So that's something that I found. Now I thought it was faulty. Then I turned and I beg a lounge. In the lounge, it's like more open. And it just goes on forever by a lounge.
Yeah,
meaning 3 days, because this is just got 3 bars. Amanya bayas no heater yadlula go 1 bar. 3 bars, but it also lasts for like 2 seconds.
Anayo heater.
Is it? What's your plan?
I need to get one
Really?
like yesterday. Because kuyabana kule ndawo ngihlala kuyo.
Oh.
It's cool most in my place. I remember the one time you came and you were like, does it get warm there, whatever? Yeah.
If it's cool in summer,
it's cool in summer, so
in winter.
You know, ndigodolayo. Oh, it's annoying. And I never used to be godolayo, but ke ingugo isiphethe.
Uzamana sothi ucimbi ya vapor ebusuku. Can't know.
Guys, banya vapor, they say that vapors come with a new form of cancer. Engazange yabonwa before. And ibonwa kwabantu abavapayo.
Cancer yandawoni?
Yes, your lungs.
What?
So Mamamoja uzbege.
PSA, son.
I'm just saying, I mean, obviously new things will come with new problems.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll never know what the problems are unless we go through the new things.
100%. You need at least 5 years of something to know by injani. Nata skayas basi ijabs is patelendo. Do you know what I mean? Like
Anikayazi ni. Now Anzo find out. I'm like,
why? Oh, because you didn't. Why?
He's a little abiding citizen.
Why are you ashamed of your actions?
No, because people will judge you, bro. Yes, I'm not judging and they vaccine 3 years back. But it's a fun and about vaccine. That's what's ticking me off. I'm just like, I tell about
vaccine. For now, you know what I think? I think about people who vaxxed, I think are the ones having this really bad flu right now. Because it's flu season, right?
Yeah.
And people are complaining about like
Really?
a flu that I've never had before. It's been so bad. It's getting better. I think that's why I'm so scared of catching it also. Because I'm like, no, it's gotta be.
Oh, vaccine.
What's sebenza 14? People weren't allowing us to go to work. Singavexanga.
Nanikuphi certificate?
Ewe.
Takumle khona nenyawo they takes certificate, yes.
Khona lonto.
But yeah, I didn't participate. I just participated in trying to sell masks. Need 1 million masks. Hey.
It was a tough time,
yo.
COVID was a tough time.
Sanitizer. My man, I'm looking for 5,000 liters of sanitizer in 100 ml bottles. Hey.
That's when I opportunity for Nini.
Hey, I tried, bro. Hey, I tried. But try.
So you didn't end up selling masks or sanitizers?
I did end up selling masks, but not like, yeah.
Not it's a profit.
I want to mask ngafaka nje 30 cents to every mask. Singenza 90 million. No other mask for N95 by 10 million. 30 cents on 10 million. Ziyakhala. But yeah, no. Didn't make the most money. But yeah, sathenga nezinye mask asathengwa. Oh! Umntu athi jonga ithenge mayo then mazayithenga kuwe. Yeah, theng mask.
Lo mntu tell us I didn't buy them.
Akathengi ngoku.
No ways.
Dukane bitso. Yeah.
Why abantu kodwa nabo? Why would you say that to someone?
Hey, nangama yayi mess lando. Also, I don't know why we're talking. How did we get here? Oh, like dog, I don't know. It was a wild time. Yeah, I'll never forget it. Never, ever. But
okay.
I can't detain.
Right. You better now, and that's for sure. Just wait.
Yeah.
Excuse me. No, I'm fine. I'm good. Bendincokola nalabhuti ndincokola naye. Because bendimbalisela uba hayi ke ndiye ndathetha ngawe mna.
Podcasting. Stress.
And he was like, what did you say? And I was like, no, just something generic. Something generic like
ndiyafundisa ke ndiphilela ufundisa pha kokoko.
And then he was like, no, I want to see.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no, uyazisola ngoku wena.
No, but obviously, so, I mean, if I tell you that I spoke about you on a public platform, you want to see, right? So, ndifumene ni la episode izolo, ne?
Yeah.
So, then I took a screen grab and I showed him. And then, well, I sent it to him because I wasn't with him.
Yeah.
And then he was like, he called me and he was like, oh, okay. He's like, you spoke about me for 5 minutes. I'm like, oh my gosh, was it 5 minutes? He's like, yes. And then he's like, and then your brother out here and turned. I'm like, he's a silly monkey. Don't mind him. He's like, because I painted you in a nice light. So it's like, oh, so Nandi condemned about Gu. I'm like, are you crazy? No, he wasn't. And then he was like, okay, fine. Fnengas money he condemned. He gave if followers. I'm like,
I feel like the fame is getting to his head.
Yeah, I know.
What's this?
So he's like, this week. You're talking face. I'm like, no. I'm sorry, he's like, no, you need to keep your followers updated.
Yeah, he needs to do something. There's some hot air balloon, skydiving. You understand? Normal things that you do in a talking stage.
So I was like, there's no way, bro. I feel like I said too much already. Like, go make and bene updates. Yeah.
Bumpy breaks. But yabaza bahlala bafuni updates nje mntana.
No, sisakuba guys.
Look at you giving the update. I didn't even have to search for it.
Sisakuba kusemnandi sisahlekisana.
Oh,
I'm getting so hot to my window.
Okay.
We're finding no.
You said go read more. Yeah. No, in the next 3 years, my plan. Wow, la la.
We're still talking. It's nice. We're understanding each other more now. So our communication is much easier than when it started.
Big ups. Wafagi, put her in the hours, galo.
The hours of it.
So of the work of explaining.
Yeah, look, I know that I've been very like avoidant in the past, especially of uncomfortable situations that could possibly lead to conflict, you know? And that's something I've learned about myself and learned why I do it. But also now that I'm aware, I definitely make a conscious effort to not be avoidant. Sometimes it comes across on the other side of the spectrum where then I become too brash, you know, but I can regulate. So it's nice to have someone who can just hold space for you there. But okay, she's not perfect. She's trying, so let's just
Namanzam.
It's so nice.
Better weren't she? Regulators. Okay,
and
cool.
if if this whole thing was for me to learn that, then great. I'd also just be happy about that. But grand.
Okay.
Yeah, cool guy.
Watch him. I don't watch him for Oh yeah, single I'll date like.
Guys,
Wow.
We're so chill about Bao.
Okay,
and then I was asking Mark, and I was like, because umdala fondini. Ayibukela ne-internet.
You know what it is. It's all love, man. It's all love. It's all love.
So weird.
Yeah? Yeah, no, that's cool. It's a very interesting thing, like, in terms of also, like, the whole labona, like, but it's like, we have that as guys.
Yeah.
Those levels of respect. But on the female side,
No, bro. It's either ngusisi, which means you're either my age or a little bit older than me. Okanye, like, that's
Usisi
it.
ngubani kuwe?
Mama, okanye ngumama.
Usisi ngubani kuwe? How do you determine whether you're saying sisi to someone or not?
If they're older than me.
If na 43.
Kaloku andizukwazi buna 43 but funeke ndikukale ngamehlo ba.
So uziphethe ubu-auntie out here kuzawuthi mamzo. Yeah, wow, that's hectic. Okay.
But you know what happened to me this one time? I was at some event and I was at a restaurant. Excuse me. I was at Saint in wherever it is, in Santon. And I was coming out of the bathroom and there was a lady walking past and we like kind of bumped into each other and then I said, "Oh, sorry, mama." And she was like, "Mama." And I was like, "No, like, not that you're older than me. I did you, mama."
Mama.
Hey, what's wrong? Yo, that lady was upset with me, bro.
Elizabeth, mama.
And the more I tried to explain, the more she was just like,
you disgust me.
yo, and I was like, mama, dog, like. And I call people mama like that, you know.
Yes.
Young people who are younger than me, anyone, I'm always just like, "Hey, mama, all right?" Yo, la sisi was just like, mama.
Wow. You are.
Sisi, if you're seeing this. I know, that was so weird for me. But yeah, so anyway, so mdong mama, like my mom. So I'm not going to mistake you for, if you're looking like my age, I'm not mistaking you for mdong.
For sure.
But also if you have kids, mdong mama.
Exactly. And if mdong now, when we am funu sisi.
From them to me.
Chirna 20.
I mean, not necessarily.
Okay.
If you don't know my name, sure.
Yeah.
But if you know my name, I'm okay with being called my
No, like cousins are from sister Liti.
I can't know you one.
I've always found that so interesting. But Chiteni definitely corner land, but
and all our little cousins call you Puti Mlomachwale.
Rotman.
Not one of you guys call me Sisi. And I don't mind, honestly.
Nah,
no.
It's not I don't even think it's a thing.
No, but the thing is for you, Yakazeka, because it's like what? A sign of respect or whatever.
I mean, Ukazeka, I think is a bit of a stretch. But central, like, normal. I just think it keeps things in check.
What things?
Man, but it's like Lan City put him. There's certain things certain things that I won't do to them.
Oh, Teta Zong is in it's because on businesses.
Well, it creates a boat, it creates a certain
gap.
Yes.
What?
It does.
Because of what? Respect.
Because of respect, man, think I'm going to be boss and yondanga yako.
Hayi, inoba ndingoqelwa kakuke.
Fundisa nje awumind mos wena, so it's all
No,
good.
I don't. Ligama lam, dude, that's my name. And if you respect ngizobona ngawe, not ba undibiza sisi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, got you. No, 100%. That was just something that just crossed my mind. And thinking about, inoba ke ngoku xa umuntu ezodibana nomntu una 41 ngoku uzadibana nobhuti ona 55 uthini uthi bhuti but endaba talking phase naye uyeke it's
Mna ndizothi bhuti kumntu ona 55.
awuzotsho
And talking phase naye?
before.
No.
Oh, okay. Awunabhuti kodwa.
Anabhuti. Only say bhuti kumntu xa ndimgezela.
Bhuti! Bhuti!
100%. It means the opposite of respect to me. And there was this one person, and I think when we talking face, I see. Naye xa ndimbuza bhuti, he gets so upset.
Oh, yes.
Like ngobhuti wakho.
Friends like because my man bhuti is like brother.
Nifuna ntoni? Nifuna respect nifuna ntoni? Kanye. Umuntu wena ufuna ubuzwa bhuti.
All I want is
Wena
respect.
uyafuna ubizwa bhuti ngumuntu that you're dating.
Abangakho ngxaki andiboni ngxaki apha.
Okay.
Tabey. Boot baby. Baby man. Animdala ngawo the baby boy kumfundisi. You don't like baby boy.
And for how long are you going to be a boyfriend for? This is what I was asking, actually. I was asking him, I was like, you're like in your 40s and are you still accepting of the fact that you're going to be a boyfriend?
As opposed to?
Like my man or like like boyfriend sounds so juvenile. So sabangu boyfriend like if you don't get married till you're 60, you're gonna be a boyfriend.
At least under 45 being a partner. My partner. Under 45. I think age got partner. I'll call my boyfriend over 45. Girlfriend.
Why is 45
that? Girlfriend, every 40s. If the guy is younger, we are not girlfriend, we sugar mama. At over 45 for a man, my partner, no boyfriend. Man,
it doesn't sound right.
Like
I'm not serious. Yes. Boyfriend. So he was like, yeah, whatever. And I was just like, oh, that's wild. 50-year-old boyfriend.
This is my partner.
Why are you laughing at that word? Why are you laughing?
No, because I'm laughing at the fact that the other alternative is clumsy.
What, boyfriend? Yeah, this is my man. This is my partner. This is Gumduam. This is my person. Even my person is better than boyfriend at this point.
Yeah. Boyfriend, ngathi ngiyadlalwa man.
Ngathi kuyadlalwa for ngathi sina 21.
Ngathi uzotya imali zami. Asibuild.
It's such a funny one. I'm always finding it weird when people call people in their 40s their boyfriends. I'm like, you sure? Are you guys gonna break up or what?
Yeah, you violent.
You guys planning on breaking up? Is that why we're doing this?
Yeah.
Dude, I saw this thing, right? That I thought was so crazy. I saw it today. And I screen grabbed it. Here it is. So it's called the suicide pod, right?
Oh, clearly.
It's so wild. And it's a pod. I mean, it looks like a pod.
Yeah.
That you step in, but suicide pod is completely legal and approved for use in Switzerland. At the push of a button, the pod would fill with nitrogen gas, rapidly lowering oxygen levels and basically getting rid of you, right? But it's only for medical use. So it's not just because you want to not live anymore that you can just go.
Yeah.
So if you like an assisted living because of uyagula, then you can opt to uzcisha.
But suicide nje le.
That's why it's called suicide pod.
But suicide illegal nje.
Huh?
Yeah, illegal. It's suicide.
Yes, but then certain countries are trying to make assisted. That's what it is, I guess, because abantu gula too much, where it's like there's no hope for you. You're never gonna get better. You're living in hell in your body. Medicine and you're just like, I'd rather not be here than be kept alive in this hell that I'm living in. So that's been a conversation like for a long time, whether that's okay, whether it's okay for umdu to opt out.
To check out, yeah.
Yes. And so
that's so hectic.
I know, but like also it kind of makes sense about if I'm living in hell, why would you guys keep me alive? Azizojika, Joe.
Who are they to tell me?
But while who's they?
The doctors.
What? That isn't Azizojika?
Yeah.
Well, they're obviously telling you from a medical front, you're far gone. There's no medicine that's gonna help you. There's nothing we can do for you. You just have to live in this hell.
Yeah.
But this is the thing. They are not the ones telling you. You are the one going, nah, I'm opting out, chance.
But tina sihleli, ifear yami is that sihleli si opt out too early. As abantu. In general. Where your mind is saying to you, Chana. Ayinguye mphulaphuli. Ivale. Whatever your mind is saying to you, Mzimba wako still got, you are at 60%. You've still got another 60% to go.
Yeah, but
because
are you
your
saying
brain is trying to protect you. Your brain will always live to try and protect you.
So are you saying there are no dire situations where it's
I'm saying, how do you measure that?
You measure it from you and the information that you have.
I'm saying that's not an accurate measure.
No, of course, but how many things are accurate measures of anything when it comes to life?
Exactly. So therefore, don't get the option.
So don't get the option to get rid of it.
I feel like getting that option, you will always choose that option. You always choose that option. When you are in pain and you are itriki. Different story. Umntu xa kusitwa yena they are in no position to make the decision. You can still make the decision. It means usaphila mos.
Yeah, but you're living a tight life, bro.
Yeah, maybe kaloku that will be for a certain period.
So it's called assisted dying, ne? And it has been a big bone of contention in the world as to if it's even, because other people bafaka injections, basically euthanasia, and it's been illegal everywhere for forever, even though people have been doing it.
Yeah,
some certain doctors have been doing it. So you're saying it should just be legal, just generally?
I think so, Namjana. I mean, who are we to measure?
For Nini Masiti, I've been living in this hell for 5 years. Indo excruciating enga bipetere, and it's like horrible. I can't be here anymore because my situation is intense. For 5 years, I've got this untreated illness that I can't get rid of and can't make better. So I can't opt out because maybe one day mhlawumbi dizoba grandi. Nah, bro.
You hope you don't need.
I hope yaphela after 1 year.
Or ring a bell. And
if I pelanga yako, that's fine. Then you're gonna continue. But the thing is, if I am pelile, and you hope it was funny. If I am pelile, why can't I opt out?
I guess it depends.
Would you be mad at a family member of yours who has opted?
Yeah. I think.
But this is the thing,
it's their choice. I get it.
Yes, because you don't know how they're feeling. You don't know how bad it is for them to live in this decaying body, basically.
And I'm thinking about myself because.
And you're thinking about yourself, because I'm gonna miss you. Yeah. So don't die.
But still, I wouldn't be happy.
No one's asking you.
I don't think I got the right to be mad. I get it because it's your life.
Yes.
Ne? But I wouldn't be pro. I know I support you. I couldn't bring myself to do that.
Yeah, kuthandaza ndiyakurelieva look.
Funding. Yeah.
So Switzerland has given the green light to this new assisted dying pod, is what they're calling it. A peaceful, controlled option designed for individuals facing severe illness.
Yeah, it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one.
Challenging traditional approaches to euthanasia and empowering personal choice in end-of-life care.
So when you're in the egg and the bed,
Papa, if you feel like it's too much, yes, you go with my blessing. Because I can diabona ba akumandanga kuwe.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I'm not bava.
I'm not saying bava, but like
I knock back her up. I wouldn't be like, yo, man. Yeah, no. I wouldn't bring myself to that.
okay, well, it's raising very deep questions about ethics,
Absolutely,
legality, and the humanity of assisted dying and how we define dignity, autonomy, and the right to choose.
It would be different, and different based on a whole set of things, right? Because I think different based on also what is a set of beliefs behind that, what's a set of morals behind it.
And that's all mine, you know, as the person who wants to do this. My beliefs and my morals and my choice to live, all of that. And so,
yeah, but how do we measure it? Then I can walk into that hospital and need a chance. Podcast in the need chance. Enough.
no, you can't. Because
why?
You have to have an illness. You can't just walk.
I do have an illness, but you can't measure my illness.
No, it has to be.
It has to be measurable. How measurable can it be?
Medically. It has to be medically measurable.
You see, that for me is the problem. Because now we're going to go into a whole set of certain things as a result of chemicals in your brain. Can't measure them. Right? That's why uza psychiatrist ikunike ipilisi ithi jonga mtshana masicheke uba ezi pilisi zizospana njani. Give it a week, 2 weeks. If as a span, adjust the dosage because you can't measure it.
Yeah, for sure. And this is and that kind of illness, mental illness, is not the kind of thing that you can jump into this pod with. It has to be physical. Because otherwise, then there's definitely no measure. Because I'll be like, I can't live. I'm too depressed. Says who? As you're just giving up on life.
All I'm saying, for me, you can't measure my God. Therefore, and easy. Man, now man checks algorithm yakho man. Ivela phi. Tina sibukela memes, tina silacha sistini.
Did you see that little baby that I posted this morning?
Oh yeah, the one I was singing.
Oh my gosh, that killed me.
So yeah, it's a difficult one.
Look, I think it's a difficult one depending on who you are and what you think of life and hope and all of those things. I think it can't be measured as in if it's right or wrong. I don't think, but some people are living in really terrible situations because of illness that they can't get rid of and haven't been able to get rid of for years, and they're just like, "This is not life. This what I'm doing here." It's not living.
Yeah. Look, I mean, it's easy also for me to say, Guti, you can't give up until you are faced in a situation. But I'm also just like, I give up peace, man. Because I'm also just like, if I lithatha ngale way, ithemba likhona. If I can't thatha le way, because ngiyithathile also.
But ukuthatha kancinci.
Yeah, but ayinthathanga ukundithatha.
But iyakuthatha kancinci every day.
Sithatha complete tata now. There's tata, not tata. If I can touch, I don't know.
And that's fine. You know, there's nothing wrong with that mentality either. Obviously, I mean, it's definitely positive, and there's nothing wrong with that, obviously. But hey, I'm just like, yeah, bro. If ufuna uhamba because ubi kuwe.
I get that. And also that kind of, for me, it's like, it's a question that I had, I think, last week or 2 weeks back. But at what point do you let someone that you love do something that you feel is not good for them to do?
Like what?
Like drinking and driving. for example,
Yeah.
right? Like taking drugs.
Mm-mm.
You understand?
Mm.
Like that. We sister yam.
Mm.
Ndiyakukhathalela. Now you start doing something that you shouldn't be doing that's detrimental to your life.
Mm-hmm.
Ndithini, ndiyakuyeka, ndiyakubukela.
Let's say I start taking drugs,
Mm.
like crack or whatever.
Yeah. Yabo.
Okay.
Ndaba ifumana bicrack apha eMzantsi.
Hayi boy khona.
Afuna izinto Lucas. Frank Lucas. Wala tsothi. I know se-America foni lana. Cracky.
Crack cocaine
Ah.
is a thing.
Okay. Andizazi ke izinto.
Ewe crack khona.
Yes, so now ndikubukele mna. O masilwe.
Sizolwa, and then what? Then I'm gonna go
Somewhere-
call my dealer. Oh, what? What are you gonna say to me that's gonna cause me to stop doing drugs?
If kaloku mhlawumbi you end up now you have to come live at my house because ngitshayile imali rent.
Okay.
Ndithi mna awuzokwazi uzohlala.
Ndizohamba for do you know what crack is, bruh? It's holding
Yeah, man,
you.
crack, man. Ndithetha
Drugs.
whatever. Yeah,
Yes.
lifestyle choices.
Ewe kaloku, but umntu would rather leave a roof so that they can do what they want to
Okay,
do.
but now what do you do as the person who's got the roof?
There's only so much you can do. Also.
Kubathini, kubacenga.
Uzombacenga, mbona umuntu akacengeki. What else are you gonna do? You're gonna threaten them? Mbona umuntu akathreateneshiki?
I don't know. Ndikhohlakele mna. I'm a withholder of benefits.
Yeah, but the thing is that doesn't work.
Doesn't it?
No. If someone is a drug addict, they're not going to stop being a drug addict because you've withheld benefits. Have you seen drug dens and what they look like? Do they look like they
Okay, masiziyeke drugs.
Masiziyeke ungazifuni drugs.
No, because it's like because it's a dire situation. I'm just like,
But isn't that what we're talking about?
yeah, but we and explain njani.
What's another example? Umntu usela qhubeka kokoko.
Mm.
And so what you going to do? Stop
I'm not gonna hang out with you. Ngixuthela ijixo xa uhleli nam. Ngizohamba nawe.
Okay.
Xa uhleli nam zazixutha ijixo zakho. Showcase uyazi loo nto leyo.
Okay, fine. Then I'm going to stop hanging out with you because I've wanted to.
Yeah, that's often what happens.
Yeah, exactly. Because the person is going to do the bad thing they want to do, and despite the consequences of that thing.
So what do I do ke ngoku mna as part of my responsibility?
There's only so far you can go.
My stock.
Hmm?
My stock.
Yeah, there's only so much talking you can do. There's only so much threatening you can do. But that person ultimately has the autonomy of what they choose to do with their life.
Yeah.
And ibhlungu, obviously, because uyambona umntu that you care about, throwing their life away, but there's only so much people can do, literally. There's only so much. Like, what are you willing to do? What ends are you willing to go to?
I'm willing to go all the ends. Yes.
Fine, now I've stopped.
But iyaxabanisa la
This is the thing.
Le ends iyaxabanisa.
Well, just because you're willing to go to all the ends to help me, it doesn't mean ndifuna uncedwa. Firstly.
Wow. Hayi inzima nangam. Andiyazi mna. I don't know. Now I've got this thing of tough love. Understand? So mandi xutela izijixo, mandi.
That's one day.
If uyafona ungene kwi-accident drinking and driving andizophuma ebhedini yam.
That's fine. Zofuna nomnye umntu. The only person in my life.
Fair. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're not coming to come bail us out anyway. Noba kwenzeke ntoni.
But that's what I'm saying. It's tough love yam leyo.
Yeah, but this is the thing. It doesn't make the situation better.
Okay. So it's to just play
After you've tried as much as you can. I mean, yes. Yeah, I mean, obviously you've tried. Wayibona ba uxuthi jixo has just led to me not being able to hang out with you. Ukshauta has just led me to pushing myself away from you. So now there's like a big gap in our relationship. To not come and save me when I'm in the police cells have just, diverted my help calls to other people. And so how much more can you do than that?
So yamncama.
Andithi yamncama.
Kaloku, that's as a result. That's where you're going. Now you are saying that uyamncama.
Uyamncama. And it's hard to even say, never mind, think about. But ndimncamile. Because akafuni uncedwa. This is the thing, umuntu angafuni uncedwa, umnceda kanjani?
By doing the thing best you know how, Faith, uzame.
And uzamile. Boku?
Wow. That's a difficult one.
It's very difficult. And I've seen it, especially with the drug situation, where it's even harder, I think. Because umuntu uqhutywa naye enye into, it's almost like akaqhutywa naye ibrain yakho, uqhutywa yile substance ngoku. So they can't reason, and you can't reason with them. But umuntu uyaba ubela uba community, like there's so much, there's only so much. And then nina nifuna ufonela amapolisa because umntana kowenu and ntoni, and that's and you not wanting them to face the consequences of their actions is literally based on you knowing who they actually are.
Yes.
Yes. You're just like, oh man, utali tu right. She's loving, she's caring, she cares about, these are things that I know. Exactly. But then when
yeah. I'm the makangezi kaloku, Talita. Inhliziyo yami ilikhuni ne. I'm the like, kaloku asizofihla ifoni ngaloo nxa Talita, uyi-1 by 10.
But ndihlala apha
but you understand?
So yeah, but I live here.
Suhlala apha.
Oh, ibosona ekhaya.
Kaloku because kaloku you're not going according to the rules. Kukho ii-rules apha endlini.
Azigxothwa nguwe, ndihlala nawe, ndihlala nomama notata. Zogxothwa ngabo.
So ke funeke sikubhunge. Yeah, and you're never going to get that consensus. This is the thing.
No, because
not everyone is going to be like, yo,
dad is going to be like, no way, it's my little girl. It's better as landukela apa because I don't know what's happening in the streets.
Look, I mean, and I've seen both sides, I've seen people who will still stay, you understand? But no, hlala grand, no. And I've just realized, and I've always questioned myself because I always take myself as I'm hard. The hardcore.
You are hard. Cool.
I wonder if there's a middle point in all of that. That's what I've always wondered because the scale is of such a nature, but it's either lomntu lo angenza yonke into athengisa electric frying pan, athini nefoni ntoni ne, or uzawutshayisa imoto zakho, uzawutshayisa rhutso imoto zakho because amane umnika, you understand? Or whatever, man. Yaba lo mntu if umshiye nendlu yaba uzawufika kwiparty into zakho zisetyenziwe njalo yabo. And then there's this side, that's like I'm trying to get
cut them off. And you're on that side.
Call security. Yeah. I wonder if there's a middle point.
No, I don't think so. I think it's most of those kind of situations require toughness. Because the middle point can be too soft for someone who's far gone.
Kaloku nangu too soft. Too soft is this side where I'll let you do whatever it is, hoping that one day you'll
What
come
does the
around.
middle point look like?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to ascertain.
Yeah.
And then there's this side who I don't move an inch.
But I don't think you go directly to that end. I think you slowly move away from the soft point and move towards the hard point. Do you think that when if let's say for 6 months I'm doing nonsense, that you'll just move to the hard points?
Response yamle. That's just move.
From day one.
Yeah. Nanga ungayiphindi ke lewe. Iphinda ke wena. Phinda. I dare you iphinde. And then
then you're like, I'm cutting
You've
you
drawn
off.
the lines. You did that.
I obviously have a problem.
Go fix your problem. I can't fix your problem. Whose problem? Your problem. Go and fix your problem.
So let's say you had a child, a teenage kid who was up to nonsense. Would you just give up on him?
Under 18, I was to give up. Ngiyaqeqesha. Over
Yeah,
18.
uzamqeqesha
Over
njani
18.
uzombetha?
Oh, indoda ne? Sure ke Brian.
Your own child.
Ewe. Mna enough family, enough blood, andinantoni mna. That sounds scary. But anayo, I'm not gonna forgive you for something oyenzileyo that I wouldn't forgive is a big word. That binokwenza ngumuntu osestrat. Umuntu osestratweni babenza mbambisa. Rest assured mntase siza kubambisa uthi nca nawe. Bizela ivantyi. You understand? Umntu endingazalaniyo naye wandibela ifowuni.
I'm going
Ndamazi
to the
bangibani,
cops.
zambizela ivantyi. Wena wathatha ifowuni yam wayiba ndayibhaqa uba nguwe vantyi. Then that's what makes me say anagaza nandoni.
Oh, okay. That's a little rough.
You understand?
Yeah. So what does a middle ground look like then? Bawunibele phone. There's no middle ground here.
I'm warning you.
Steal my phone one more time.
Ushekela zigame eziyi-7.
Calling the cops.
It's tricky. That's tricky. I feel like it's one of the things that like
You know what the wild thing here is for me? I understand why you would judge yourself because it does sound really harsh, right? But the crazy thing here for me is that I don't think you do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try me. Oh, maybe sweating in the corner, but press here to try me. Try me.
Really?
Try me. Please. Yazi ndibuze kubani? Ndibuze ndadlala. Ndadlala. Try me. Man, try me. Hey, nangam hey. And I think, I don't know. I think maybe because I've lived through the give you enough rope. And then what do people do with that rope?
Yeah, but you haven't given me rope.
I don't need to. Everyone must give rope.
I can't be paying for
rope.
I can't be paying for the sins of that person.
No.
No.
Tingayidlali ilotho nje. Zezono. Thatha ama-chance, thatha ama-millions. No, don't take a chance.
That's a tough one. I think maybe if it had to happen to you where someone really close to you, like me, for instance, started going down the drain, then I think you would be less hard than you think you would.
I don't think so. That's because I don't have that. I don't have a softer cushion for family.
What is it that you don't have? Patience.
It's a softer cushion.
Oh, so everybody's on the same.
Ewe.
Oh.
One rule. Ugezelwa kwam umuntu osestratweni iyafana nogezelwa kwam nguwe. Akho special because I also didn't choose you for uba ube family member yam.
Well,
and I think a lot of the time people ride on that.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
And that's the thing endingafuni uyibona mna. Andifuni urayidwa on.
Look, it does sound hard. I mean, it doesn't make it wrong.
Yeah.
Because I don't think there's a measurement of right and wrong in those kinds of instances, honestly. Because ultimately, you being hard, you're also trying to make me steer away from what I'm doing.
Funny.
But also, my mom being soft is the same. She's got the same intent.
Yes.
So it is what it is.
Yeah.
A little bit on the sad side, though.
I mean, a little bit on
All
the
of it,
side,
not
yeah.
just like your thing. I mean, I don't know what I would do, which is why I'm like, it's so crazy to me how definite you are about it in your head.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I think I'd just be led by my feelings at the time. Phoning and mini laptop, you know, depending on how angry I am or how much you have displaced me, then I'll react in that way. But how definite you are is a little commendable.
Look, I mean, guys, I'm always open to kind of hearing ukuthi, what kind of things are employed out there in order to double check or sense check ourselves from a point of saying, okay, cool. Who am I helping here? This person or myself? Who is suffering here? This person or myself? Am I enabling? Am I helping? Am I being too harsh? There's so many things to look out for. And I think there definitely has to be a matrix somewhere
No, man, because also you have to also take into consideration that person as well that you're, reacting towards. But what do they actually need, which they obviously never know. So now you're trying all these things, but okay, mhlambe man be soft, mhlambe this is what they need. One by bu soft buspan, mhlambe man be hard. One by hey, bu hard be spana ngezinye imini, buspana more than bu soft. Like if I'm threatening for a week uzaba right, apinda. Do you know what I mean? There's so many variations that I don't think there's a measurement of, but okay, I'm doing the right thing at this point.
Oh, that's what makes my head hurt.
Yeah, because you don't like variations. You like different.
Yeah.
You like different.
Yes, too many variables. That's the problem. What do you do when there's too many variables? Tina says X plus Y equal 2Y equal XY. 2X, whatever it is. Yeah, hey, that's a difficult one. But yeah, if someone out there's got a matrix of some sort, please share it in terms of how do you approach those kinds of situations.
Or if you've been in that situation where, especially with family members where
correct,
it's been difficult to deal with.
And if you've been in this situation and you're on the other side as the family member emotional, what kind of, I don't know what your experience was or something.
What did you need? What worked?
And what didn't work and why it didn't. Oh, I'm asking you too many questions. I'd just love to hear it all.
No, for real. I hear you. It's a difficult one. And I feel like we're at the end and we didn't even get into the Xhosa.
So let's do the cause and effect of it all.
Yeah.
The problem is, Galogo, we were where our feet are.
So one of the subscribers gave us, because we asked you guys to give us stuff to put on the board. Thank you so much. A few of you have given us things to put on the board, and I love it so much because I don't have to crack my skull for it. But yeah, be where your feet are. When I saw that, I was just like, we do live outside of where we are.
Absolutely.
All the time.
Now it completely rocked me when I saw.
You seem so bored when you realized.
No, man, I was just acting. It completely rocked me when I saw it. I was just like, because for me, it was just like, be present.
Yeah.
Be present. And I was just like, fair.
Yeah, fair.
We are so not present.
No, we're really not.
If I sikinyonga zifoni,
sikinyonga zifoni.
Ba endlini kwathi no, so get ready with me. But yeah, this is quite something.
I went away 2 weekends ago with some friends of mine that I hadn't seen in a while. I hadn't hung out with in a while. And we took 0 pictures. And when I came back, I was like, we didn't take 1 picture. We were there. And it felt so good. It felt really good. Because it's like, I'll always have those memories. And even if we did take pictures, I'll probably never look at those pictures again anyway.
Bamba into zona nge-memories.
But I was just like, that's a cool measure of being present, where you don't feel the need.
Yeah, definitely.
The causeness of it all.
Dog.
All right, cool. I'm going to do 2 easy ones.
Sure.
Heading is a sekhaya.
Sure. Like going. Let's go.
Ndinamntu wam udla ekroka.
Mbumlo.
No, it's not a part of the body.
Okay. Udla ekroka.
Let's just say it's animals, because all the answers are animals. Yeah. Good answer.
Don't you just hate it when that happens? Udla ekroka. I'm trying. Udla ekroka. I'm just trying to think, but mbukane. The animal now I'm stuck. I don't know. It can't be a cow because Buyisa and it's got like 4 stomachs and we're going to choose the cat.
Inaku yami neside.
What is ukoke Queen? This is the granting. I don't know.
I don't know because pigs
I
just
feel,
eat.
I feel like it's got a specific thing towards my
The
Zikanja.
word kroka might also mean something else.
Yes. Not to be suspicious. Because that's what I take it as. Is being suspicious.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, if anyone knows the specific meaning of ukoka, please tell us.
Jikelele ngqi.
Zuka. Yeah, I love each other, guys. Full of jokes, this one.
I can't read. I don't know what that word means.
Okay. Jikelele no yinja.
Hey, well done. Woo!
That's probably the first right I ever learned.
That's the first right in the world. That's I know Adam.
Yes.
Thanks, guys, for coming through, and we'll see you again just now because program after program.
It's really program.
And the editing man, the intloko iyazula.
Good.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Let us know what you think as per usual. Of the
It was an inhloko fungalporekile.
Kusakaya nalapho.
I know. Okay. Some of us are trying to get presenting gigs. So, yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, guys. Literally, we are nothing without you.
And don't forget, love each
Love each
other.
other.